RC Maniacs.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I finally got my hands on the D32 from WPL, a twin cab pickup, officially licensed Tianjin Dafa. Again, probably butchered the name, but it's pretty cool. So another release in the hugely popular D series from WPL. If I'm not mistaken, the D12 is their most sold model, so that's pretty cool. So thanks to WPL for sending this to me, and I will also get the D22 next week, I think. The parcels got separated and arrived at different times, so I'm just going to open this for now, have a look at it and take it for a test drive, and it looks awesome on the box. New box, more high-end feel to it. So yeah, super cool. Let's open it up and have a look at it. So this is what you get in the box. Let's see, some more tape here on the sides. Yeah, look at this. This looks cool. I like it. I like the blue color as well. Looks really good. The standard WPL transmitter. And of course all the scale details for it, as well as the stickers. And this time they've even got some cool stickers for the dashboard. So you really get that awesome scale look, and these are full with scale details. The rear seat is loose in here. Have to fix that. Just push it into place, I think. Yeah, this is it, and it looks really cool, and you can really see how cool it looks here next to the D32, and I've got my drifting D12 here as well. So you can compare the wheelbases. You can see here on the D42 that there looks to be the same here. This is maybe a little longer, sorry. We've got the... yeah, this is the same. So they are basically the same size, but these are the same wheelbase, as you can see here. Got the same chassis here under, and the battery hidden under the spare wheel. You lock it like that. It's a pretty cool feature, I like that. The leaf sprung suspension in the rear, as well as the torsion type independent front suspension here. So that's nice, and it's easy to adjust the ride height. Just add a little group screw in there. You can choose how high you want it to ride, like I've done here on my D12. You can see the screw in there. Put that aside, and this one as well. So here we go. Same wheels as always. Got the plastic drive shaft there, plastic axle, on-off switch in the front. So the grill here is pretty cool. It's the Tianjin grill here, same as the D42, and a little shorter flatbed here, since it's the twin cab, and it looks awesome. I think I might spray this like in blue metallic or something. I like the blue one, don't get me wrong, it looks awesome, but I like the look you get when you paint them with metallic. So yeah, let's remove the body and have a look underneath. So that's just 4 Phillips screws. Nice, 6 Phillips screws. 2 there, 2 there, and 2 in the rear. Then you have to be a little bit careful. Carefully remove the wire to the headlights, because it got working headlights, of course. And this is how it looks. So we got the motor fitted in the center here. Little gearbox there with plastic gears. So we got the transparent case here. That's pretty cool. See the plastic gears inside. I won't take that one apart. See the transfer gear in there. So it's a pretty simple setup and it works really good. Let's see if I can squeeze it back in here. It's a pretty snug fit with the wires like that. And of course I forgot to make sure that the drive shaft was attached, so like that. So that's cool. As you can see, we got the independent front suspension and no drive on the front wheel, and the torsion-like setup. So that's cool. You can adjust the camber and tow in if you want as well in the front. Got the wire runs through the chassis here, or the frame of the chassis, to the tray in the rear. So yeah, it's a really simple but cool setup, and I love these things. And since it's the most sold WPL out there, the D12, most people really love these. And I'm super clumsy here today, so I can really recommend these. They are a lot of fun, tons of potential if you want to make it your own, as you saw with my drift truck here. And this body kit is from Asia RC Depot, which is a somewhat affiliated company. It's Edward who runs it. So another look at the interior before we go. Really nice. So I'm going to fix the interior here and add some of the cool scale details here. Ooh, some extra springs. These springs, or at least one extra. I will probably hold off a bit on the stickers, like the Tianjin. See here. I'm gonna show you guys the stickers. Got the logo here for the front. Dashboard. Lights. So yeah, that's cool. I will probably hold off a bit on those. The Tianjin model stickers, because I'm not sure if I'm going to repaint this or not. So I'm going to fit them when I've finally decided what I want to do. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to repaint this, but we'll see. I really like the van as well. They look cool, both of them. Really cool. So I'm going to put this back together and we'll take it outside. I'm charging the battery right now, and yeah, I'll bring the GPS and we'll see how fast it is and how it handles, and I'll let you know what I think about it. So yeah, hope you stayed with us this far, and let's find out how it drives. Okay, so I'm out with the truck now. Got some asphalt over there and some gravel over here. Just going to do a little driving. It's basically the same as the D12, so most of you know what it's all about, but yeah. It's a nice bright blue. See, got the usual steering and the throttle here, so we're going to press that. Yes, more speed. Okay. Whoa, this feels kind of fast actually. compared to the D12. Nice. It looks really good. I love the twin cab on this. Whoa, some nice power slides. Okay, so I'm a bit surprised. So I'm not going to waste the whole battery. I'm going to get the GPS and we'll have a look, see how fast it is. I just put that little guy in the flatbed, on the flatbed, and I'm going to start the GPS like that. And let's see. So high-speed setting. I mean, it's not going to be too crazy, but just for fun. See, nice range here as well. It's pretty far away. Okay, full throttle back here. Looks awesome. Ooh, a little slider. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so it's about the same as the D12. 11 kilometers per hour. Felt faster. Might be a bit more torque, but it should be the same same gearbox, I think. So, well, there you have it. 11 kilometers per hour. Not too bad. Pick that up there. Yeah, I really like it. So let's try the gravel here. No issues. Nice. Okay, so I think that's about it. I'm going to make this my own. Add some cool details. Maybe new wheels, we'll see. So I hope you liked it. As always, got the links down below if you want to get one for yourself. They are a lot of fun and super cheap, and I really like them. And you saw my drift truck D12 earlier, so you get an idea what you can do with these. And I hope you liked it. Consider subscribing, and I will have a video with the D22 soon as well. So yeah.